Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how I make a Peruvian chili anticuchero. You will need a chopped green onion, salt, vinegar, vegetable oil, black pepper, lemon juice, and rocoto. This is our Peruvian chili. So now we are ready to start. In a bowl, we are going to add a tablespoon of rocoto. Then I'm gonna be adding salt and black pepper to taste. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of vinegar, then the vegetable oil, and I'm going to squeeze half a lemon cup. Mix well. And remember, you can add a little more of vegetable oil to thicken, okay? And finally, we are gonna be adding the chopped green onion. Correct the salt and black pepper to taste, and more rocoto if you like more spicy. And now I'm transferring my Peruvian chili sauce to a small bowl to serve. Guys, this is the final result. I hope you like it. Please subscribe to my channel, follow me on my social media, and thumbs up. Look at this recipe that we call it anticucho in my country. This is a street food. Soon the full recipe because I recorded everything. She's Candy, my coton de Tuliar. She has some videos every Saturdays here on my channel, and she's with me every Wednesdays with my recipes. See you next time. Bye bye.